right, now check it out in the sun. Like I said, in the bay, you're gonna see lots of flaws you would not see out here in the sun. From 5-6 feet away, she looks so good. The red does pop a lot more out here. You're gonna still see the flaws. Driving down the street, she's gonna look really good. Wheels are popping, brand new tires. You're gonna have your typical flaws. Of course, you get up close. That's with anything like this, honestly. That looks good. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. Got 71,000 miles on the odometer. Now the steering wheel is crooked, but the truck drives straight. You're gonna have a lot of wind noise, typical. Seats are really, really comfy. The suspension feels really nice on this truck too. You got brand new tires. Got an amazing turning radius there, actually. Shifts really smooth. That drives really nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at this tire, date code 2025, so these are pretty much brand new. Looking at the wheels, typical little scuffs and scratches over the years. A little bit of rash, but it's all very subtle. Now here on the liner, you're going to see some overspray from the repaint. Looking in the jams, little things like that. Looking at the paint, you do have a little bit of fading, typical swirls, a little bit of orange peel. You do have some light scratches. You have some overspray on some of the trim. That mirror looks really nice. Typical chips. Little flaws in the paint. So up close, you know, we're in perfect lighting. You're gonna see a lot of flaws. From, you know, 5-6 feet away, it looks really good. This graphic looks amazing. Looking at the bed, typical little scuffs and scratches, little flaws, but the body lines look really good. Once again, brand new tires, 6 of 2025. You do have some rash. You have a large gash right here in the wheel. The rest of that looks good. Looking at the wheel liner, that looks really nice. You can see some of the stitching is coming apart here. The rest of that looks good. All right, looking at the front end. Here on the alignment, it's going to be off a little bit. It's kind of raised. And of course, when you get close on the paint, you're going to see all the texture. Looking at the lights, this one's yellowed with the light spider cracking. That light looks really good. A little loose. The amber side Overall nice and clean. You can see the alignment here is off. You have some typical chips in there. Now, of course, if you get close, you're going to see the chipping in here and the fading. This is yellowed a little bit, but I don't see any spider cracking. That lens looks good. That one's nice and clean. You're going to see the hazing, kind of the fading on that. See, this kind of popped out. I'm sure that can be snapped in right. This is all faded. You're going to see some paint chipping here. Overall though, that looks good. This wheel, that's in really good condition. Looking at the lower side, looks nice. Typical fading in here. Mirror looks good. That graphic looks awesome. You have some gashes in here. Or actually no, those are cracks, so you have some cracking in there. Looking at that wheel, a little bit of rash, but overall in good condition. New tires. The light looks awesome. You have some damage here. That graphic looks good. And looking at the bumper, we do have typical flaws there. You're gonna have some creases and little chips in there. All right, checking out the interior. It is really, really nice. You can see this panel's kind of popping out. The alignment's off. You do have some flaws there. Buttons are in great condition. That lower section looks good. That trim looks nice, and then check out the seats. Those are really, really cool. They're in great condition. You do have a steering wheel cover on here. I don't want to really remove it. So I'm not quite sure what the steering wheel looks like underneath. It looks like it's had some work done. So I imagine it's kind of chewed up pretty good. That's why it's got the cover on it. Got the flaws there. You have some cracks on the dash. Here on the upper side, just kind of scanning through that. From what I can tell, it looks really good. The underside looks nice. That all looks really good. Console's clean. Now the window tint back here, you can see has faded, so you put some new tint on there, it'll look really good. Right, looking at this door panel, that's really nice. Buttons are clean, typical fading on that trim piece. Overall, that panel looks really good. That trim looks nice. Carpets are really clean. These seats look amazing. They're in great condition. Console here looks good. Now on the dash, you do have some gashes, little flaws there. That looks nice. Rest of that looks good. Headliner's in awesome condition. Beautiful on this side. All right, scanning through the engine bay. Looks really nice. Underside looks really good. Alright, looking in here, you have an extra wheel in your bed liner.